In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to unhide your columns and rows here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a presentation and you've noticed that not all of your data are seen, one of the reasons may be some of these cells are hidden. Now these cells may be hidden with your rows or your columns. And you'll notice right away we have these arrows in between our columns, and you'll also notice that some of the letters from your columns are missing. So again, one of the reasons might be that your columns or your rows are hidden. Now, if you want to unhide those columns, all you have to do would be to go at the top and find these right here. So these icons would mean that some of these columns are hidden. And we would know right away which column is hidden because we have jumped from column A to column C. So our column B is hidden at the moment. But if we click on this, you'll notice that our cursor changes a lot of times in different type of cursors when we hover over between our columns. So right now, what you need to see is this one. We have the regular mouse pointer or cursor, and if you hover over it, this is what it's supposed to look like. Nothing else. If we click on it, it will show that hidden column, which is our column B, our cast column. Let's try that again with this right here. So we have columns A, B, C, and again, we're missing our column between our column C and E. If we hover over that icon, so these are two arrows pointing in the opposite direction of left and right. If we click either of those sides, it will unhide those hidden columns. There you have it. Now let's try it with our rows. So of course, we're going to go to our left side right here where our numbers are, or our row numbers. If we scroll down, you'll notice that we have our row 6, then suddenly jumping into our row 19. Of course, you'll notice those arrows pointing up and down this time because we are on our rows. If we click on either of them, it will unhide those hidden rows. There you have it. One more time, I think we have one more right here. Either you click on the arrow pointing up or down, it will unhide those hidden rows. And there you have it. That's how you can easily unhide your columns and rows here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.